Today we are installing a 16 kilowatt hour SunGrow battery system with a 10 kilowatt inverter to suit. During construction we also installed 10 kilowatt panel system on the roof, and we have roughed in our cables here as well.
All right. Why we install them during the construction? What not now?
We installed them during construction to make it easier to install our cables inside the walls for a better looking system on completion.
Yeah. And then you will not see any DC cable there.
You won't see anything.
That's good, be good job, man.
It'll be a very good job. This way. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Makes me happy.
Same time. We made it, mate.
We made it.
Woo!
It's a good Saturday effort.
Yeah.